Did you lost your job because of the COVID-19 and you're looking for a way to make money? Would you like to quit your job and make money online? YouTube receives more than 1 billion unique visits a month. Thousands of average internet users are already making money on YouTube. It is very easy to get started. Before you know it, you could be on your way to making a living online, with your own YouTube channel. Do you have a website or blog? Are you receiving the traffic that you need to make a profit? Or have you been hit by Google's Panda, Penguin or Hummingbird updates? If the Google update has targeted your website, you will see a drop in your daily website traffic. You can use YouTube to regain the traffic that you lost from Google. You can get started by using YouTube's Creator Playbook. Once you are up and running, you can create a few new videos and turn some of your older content into videos. One of the best ways to get traffic to your website or blog is to include your full URL in the first line of your video description. Once your video has been processed, YouTube will show your URL as a clickable link that will be indexed by the search engines, and once clicked, it will take the visitor directly to your website. The big question is, how to make $200 a day with videos. Product creation and how to promote on YouTube. Are you ready to create your own product? If yes, you are in the right place. The YouTube social network offers a number of different methods that you can use to promote your products. You could create an information ebook, apps, artwork or music download files. Add a PayPal button to your website for payment and you are in business. What if you don't want to create your own product? No problem. You can join one of the many free affiliate networks. Affiliate marketing is just another way to sell products online that are owned by a vendor. Once a product is sold, you are paid by the affiliate network by check or PayPal. There are thousands of free affiliate networks that you can join in minutes. One of the best affiliate networks to join includes Amazon, ClickBank, CJ Commission Junction, and ShareASale. There are thousands of affiliate networks that you can join, however the list above includes most of the leading companies in the industry. One of the easiest methods that you can use to get started making money quickly on YouTube is to create product reviews and tutorial videos. You can get started in minutes by joining the Amazon affiliate program. How to make $200 a day with videos. They are one of the leading affiliate networks that sell thousands of different products worldwide. Create your own TV show. Do you have a story to tell? You can create your own TV show series on YouTube. Your possibilities are unlimited. You can create your own talk show, drama series or comedy series. It just depends on how much work you want to put into it and your budget. At this time, YouTube limits TV shows to 15 minutes. You will need to increase your limit in order to do a good job at creating your TV series. A lot of people have developed a new career once they have received thousands of views on YouTube. Some of the most popular self-made video topics are beauty tips, exercise workouts, dieting tips and singing. Become a YouTube superstar. Developing your YouTube channel could make you a lot of money. If you have a new idea that becomes popular on YouTube, you could receive thousands of views. YouTube will pay you $7 per 1,000 video views. Getting your share of the profits once you have created 4 or 5 videos. It's about time for you to go to the next step and join YouTube's partner program. To be able to monetize your videos on YouTube, you'll first need to set up a YouTube channel. Next you will need to go to YouTube's partners page to join their program. Once that is done, click on the relevant link under the Monetize Your Video. Click here to get started. Before you are able to get started, you will need to verify your channel. Tutorial videos. Do you know how to repair your car or how to fix things around the house? How-to videos are huge on YouTube. Some of the more popular beauty videos have over 1 million views. You could create a video of you repairing your car, fixing your roof or baking a cake. You can share just about anything that you can think of. Thousands of people are turning to the internet to get advice and view different types of how-to videos. Do you have an idea for a new product? Create a video about your product or service and upload it to YouTube. Then check out your views and comments posted about your idea. This will give you a better idea of how your product or service will be accepted in the marketplace. It is a lot easier to get funding if you can show that a lot of people are interested in your products. It is important to select the right keywords. Thousands of videos are uploaded every day. That means that there's a huge amount of competition on YouTube. You will need to do everything you can to get your videos found. This is where using video metadata comes into play. Video metadata is the area where you would include the title, description and keywords for your video. Basically, you must fully optimize your video's data tags so that your videos will be found for your selected topic or niche. YouTube works a lot like a search engine. Optimizing your videos for keyword search will make all the difference between your success or failure. How would you like to make your child or pet a star? You don't have to be a good singer to become a star on YouTube. With a little bit of luck, you could shoot a video of a double rainbow or your child doing something unusual and it goes viral. Keep your video camera handy as you go about your day. If you see something that is cute, interesting or unusual, tape it and upload it to YouTube. You never can tell who or what will be the next video sensation. A better way to do keyword research because of the high competition you are bound to face, effective keyword research is crucial. Here is a simple method that can be done in 5 minutes. This will put you ahead of the competition every time. Detailed keyword analysis would normally take hours or days to complete. Most people don't have a lot of free time to invest in detailed keyword research. The way this method works is that you would go to YouTube and type in the keyword phrases that you think people would use to find your product or service. As you type, YouTube will provide suggestions that will show the most common searches for your keyword phrases. Make a note of the top results from their drop-down list and include those keyword phrases in your video titles. Also, you should make a note of the less relevant terms and use those in your keyword tags to receive some extra link juice. Another secret that most people overlook is to type your keyword ideas into YouTube, so that you can see what are some of the relevant terms that are currently being used by YouTube visitors. This process could give you some fresh ideas towards your next video topics. Give away free stuff. I am sure that you have heard of websites, blogs or video channels that offer free gifts. Another method you can use to make money with videos is to give your visitor free PLR articles or ebooks. Give away a few chapters of the articles or ebooks. You can charge your customer a fee to receive the rest of the articles or ebook. You can collect their payment by installing a PayPal button on your website or blog. You can use an ebook download service that will deliver your articles or ebook once the payment is made. There are a number of ebook management services on Google. Most of them are free to join. They would normally charge you a small fee after your product is sold. You can purchase PLR articles or ebooks online for about $5 and resell them and keep all the profits. PLR stands for private label rights. These are ebooks that you can resell and keep all the profits. To find websites that offer PLR products, you can go to Google and do a search for PRL private label rights ebooks. New YouTube keyword tool alternative. As stated earlier, the most important step that you must complete correctly is your keyword phrase selection. If you don't get this right, you will not stand a chance of being successful online. Besides typing your keywords into the YouTube search box, most internet marketers were using the YouTube keyword tool. The YouTube keyword tool has been closed down as of September of 2014. Fortunately, there is a new YouTube keyword tool alternative. Keyword tool is the best YouTube keyword tool alternative. It can generate highly relevant long-tail keywords about any particular topic. It uses the same auto-complete system that is used on the Google search engine. However, the auto-complete results are collected from their YouTube users. The new keyword tool allows you to select the language and country. Plus, they have added a few more useful features that will help you get more views to your videos. The keyword tool will generate over 750 long-tail keywords by using YouTube's autocomplete system. Their system is able to expand your keyword results by appending the keyword phrases that you specify with various letters and numbers. Very few online marketers are using this keyword tool. Using this tool will put you years ahead of your competition. YouTube Trends. The system was released on December 2010. YouTube Trends is a free online tool that was designed to help online marketers stay on top of the latest trending videos on YouTube. YouTube Trends allows you to collect more information about who is watching the most popular videos. You can search by age group, city, country and gender. Their dashboard lets you quickly discover and explore what's popular in different cities around the world. Secret Amazon marketing tips. This is an easy guaranteed method to earn quick commissions from Amazon. If you use this method correctly, you will have very little or no competition in terms of ranking on the first page of the Google search engine. When you release a new video for a new keyword phrase, your video will rank on the first page of Google in about an hour. The key to the method is to go to the website below and review the new products that have been released by Amazon. It must be a product name that is new and it has not been indexed or listed by Google. The method will still work, even if it is listed by Google, so long as it is not listed by a major website. YouTube videos will easily outrank most of the average websites. Create a product review video with the new product name in the title, description and in the keyword tags. You will need to join the Amazon's affiliate program and add your affiliate link on your website or blog. Add your website URL to your video description. It is also a good idea to add the product's picture on your website. You should also add your affiliate link to your product image. The method will work for any new online product that has a unique name that has not been listed on Google. A product review video will always outrank the average websites in about an hour. Amazon new product release. In this course, I have outlined some of the easiest techniques that anyone can use today to start earning money. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world with millions of video views a month. Google has made it almost impossible to rank on page 1 for any major keyword phrase. Whereas with YouTube, it is still possible to get some decent result from optimizing your videos.